Hi there, Sanna here for the, at least for the moment, last presentation video for the Tarot Angels Glimmer Mist 2018 video series. On this last experimental video I will first show you what type of product I've gathered together from my stash, and this part is about different tapes that I happen to have at home. Maybe I will add a couple more to this video series when if I find some more tapes at home, but we'll see. And first I've got this foil tape, so it's adhesive on the other side, and so it's basically aluminium, so it would have gone well with the metal series, but I thought since this is a tape, let's do one with tapes only. And then I've got painter's tape or masking tape, however you call this. So it's basically a cream color, ivory color. Then I've got some Tim Holtz Ideology tissue tape that should actually, I think this works with Glimmer Mist, we'll see. Another one just for comparison. And then I've got regular washi tape. This one has all types of alphas on it and it's white, so we will see if that has some results with Glimmer Mist, if you can mist those with them. And then I've got I don't know, this is a fabric tape, so I think they call this is probably from Seven Gypsies, an older from an older collection that they don't actually have at the store at the moment anymore. But I think they called this gaffer tape. I don't know, I'm not quite sure. So it's basically printed tape on a fabric, and it has a strong adhesive bag. And this is quite old, but I thought it might be fun to do some misting with this type of tape too. So basically that would be the tape series. And then what I didn't test are playing cards. Maybe we'll do that too. So we'll just do this set on one video, and to see what happened with Glimmer Mist and these products you will need to watch the second part of the video. So thanks for watching, see you soon.